Hello, today I'm going to show you how to change a PDF to a JPG and set it as the background for a Google slide so you can add text boxes to it. So the first thing is when you want to set a background that cannot be moved on a Google slide, it has to be in the format of a JPG. But most documents that we have that we want to use for that are in the format of a PDF. So if you go to Google and search for PDF to JPEG converter, there will be a lot of free ones that come up that you'll be able to use. I have used cloudconvert.com many times and it has worked great for me. So you'll click on it and it'll take you there. I'm going to click select file and it's going to bring up your desktop. I usually put things that I want to convert on my desktop. So I selected here a quiz and it'll ask you what you want to convert to. Right now this quiz is in a PDF format and I'm going to convert it to a JPEG. I'm going to click convert. It's going to upload, process. It's going to take just a minute here, but then there it is. So now I can click download and I have my quiz right here in my bar. I can go back over here to my Google slide presentation. You're welcome to drag and drop this and save it on your desktop, or you can just leave it right there. Now that we're back over here to Google Slides, you're going to click on background, choose image, and it's going to bring up this. You can select things from your Google Drive. You can find things from Google Image Search, from photos. You can post things from a URL. You can take a picture with a camera, or in our case, we're just going to upload. You can select things from browsing your computer, but since I have mine right here, I'm just going to pick it up, drag, and drop it on there. I dragged and dropped it on there now. I'm going to click done. As you can see, you can still see those text boxes that were there. So I'm just going to delete those text boxes out. And now I can easily see my image here, and my students will not be able to, when they're trying to complete things on this, they're not going to be able to move this image around. It's stationary, it's solid on that background, so it's not going to go anywhere. If I want to, I can add some text boxes in there. So I'm just going to click the T for the text box. Add the text box on there. I can adjust the font if I want a certain font for them. I personally like to make them a light blue color, and that gives my students an idea of they know that they need to actually complete something. And then I just add one to each spot here. And I can drag and drop it to make it any size that I would like. I can leave it as the size that it is. And once that I put a box in each one, my students are now ready to complete this assignment digitally. That's it for this lesson. I'll see you back for the next one.